Hi guys, welcome sa tutorial natin. Merong pinadala sa atin ng problem galing kay Sir Sujo. So, problem is two posts 8 inches high and the other 12 inches high stand 15 inches apart. They are to be stayed by wires running to the tops of the posts. What is the least amount of wire? So, this problem is under differential calculus, which is maxima and minima. So step 1 na gagawin natin dito is to draw the problem. So na-prepare ko yung problem. Labelan na natin. So ito raw yung 8 inches na poste. And then ito naman daw yung 12 inches na poste. They are separated 15 inches. Let's say ito yung wire 1 natin. And then ito yung wire 2 natin. Then let's try na hatiin to. Ito yung X natin. So from yung X natin from here. And then ito naman si 15 minus X. Ngayon, next na ano natin is to know kung ano yung mina-maximize or minimize. And based sa problem, ang hinahanap natin is the least amount of wire or the minimum length of the wire. So, meron tayong, ang hinahanap natin is the minimum length of wire. And then ngayon, ano yung formula na makikita natin dito sa minimum length of wire? Diba ito yung wire na ginamit natin? So, it means yung minimum yung length or the equation na mabubuo natin sa length is that wire 1 plus wire 2. Ngayon, another step sa pag-solve ng maxima and minima problem is that dapat yung equation natin is reduced to one variable or single variable. And kung mapapansin nyo, may nabuo tayong dalawang right triangle. Kaya pwede natin makuha or ma-form yung formula as, so let's say, the length is equals to the square root of, so para natin kunin si wire 1, diba Pythagorean theorem is the square root of Pythagorean theorem natin. Pythagorean theorem. C is equals to the square root of a squared plus a squared. Where C natin dito is C, wire 1 tsaka si wire 2. So bali, this will be 8 squared plus 8 squared plus square root of 15 minus x squared plus 12 squared. And then, so na-reduce na natin to into one variable. Next na step natin is to differentiate and then equate natin yung first derivative to 0. So try natin to i-differentiate. So the derivative of L in terms of x is equals to, recall din natin na ang derivative ni square root of u is du over 2 square root of u. Gayahin lang natin. Bale ito, yung derivative. So si u yung nasa loob ng square root. Yung derivative ng x squared plus h squared. Ang derivative niyan is just 2x. Kasi nga, derivative ng x squared is 2x. Tapos derivative ni plus, derivative ng x 8 squared is 0 kasi nga constant. All over, over 2 square root of x squared plus 8 squared plus. Then next, ang derivative nitong u natin dito, part, dito lang, bali 2, bring down 2 natin, di ba? 15 minus x, power rule, diba? Yun yung tamang term. Times, derivative natin si negative x, so bali negative 1, plus, derivative ni 12 square is 0. All over 2 square root of 15 minus x squared plus 12 squared equals. So, ito na yun. First derivative natin, ano? And then, pwede natin cancel si 2. Tapos, after natin makuha si first derivative, equate natin siya to 0. Copy na lang natin ito. Ang simple na natin muna si 2. Kasi nga nakancel na natin. After natin ma-equate into 0, pwede na natin gamitin si calculator natin to find the value of x. Madali lang to. Alpha x is equals to square root of alpha x squared plus 8 squared plus, and then sabihin na natin negative 1. 15 minus alpha x all over square root of 15 minus alpha x quantity squared plus 12 squared. Huwag na huwag kalimutan si parenthesis kasi pag wala si parenthesis dito, baka mamali tayo ng sagot. Alpha equals 0. Shift, solve for x. X natin ngayon is equals to 6. Last step natin is to solve kung ano yung hinahanap. And gaya nga kanina, si length yung hinahanap natin, minimum amount of length yung hinahanap. Magsisikayo dito. And then, ngayon, madali lang to. Input lang natin to sa CalQ. Ngayon na lang natin, mano-mano. So, bali 6 squared plus 8 squared plus square root of 15 minus 6 squared plus 12 squared. Sa CalQ, pwede na lang natin yung equation mismo by square root of alpha x squared plus 8 squared and then plus square root of 15 minus alpha x squared plus 12 squared. Pinutin lang natin si calc and then 6. So, yung L natin ngayon is 25 inches. Ito yung minimum amount of wire na pwede natin gamitin dito sa problem. So, ayun, sana natuto kayo and maraming salamat po sa support at panonood.